This is English conversation practice for beginners.
And today we are practicing real English for real life, everyday situations, things that happen to you.
Shopping, asking for help, ordering food. We are doing it all today.
Let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. So happy you're here with us today.
This is part 3 of our Everyday Situation series, and honestly, this one might be the most useful one yet.
I think so too, because today we are talking about situations you face every single day, not in a classroom, in real life.
At a shop, at a cafe, on the street when someone asks you for directions.
These moments happen fast, and sometimes we freeze. We don't know what to say.
So today, we are going to prepare you. We are going to practice these conversations together so that when the moment comes, you are ready.
That's the goal. Feel ready. Feel confident.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need useful English. There's a big difference.
Big difference. Okay, let's do this. Oh, before we dive in, can I take just one moment?
Go ahead.
If you are watching this and you want more English practice every single day, please subscribe to Easy English Podcast.
New videos every day. Simple, friendly, just for beginners like you.
Press that subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps us keep going.
And if this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to us.
And share it. If you have a friend who is learning English, send this to them. Learning together makes everything easier.
Okay, now let's really start.
For real this time.
Okay, Mike, let's tell everyone what we are covering today.
Yes. So today we have 3 everyday situations.
Situation number 1. Shopping. How to ask about a product. How to ask the price. How to say yes or no politely.
Situation number 2, ordering food or drink at a cafe or restaurant.
And situation number 3. Asking for help on the street. Directions, locations, simple requests.
3 situations, all real life, all very useful.
And here is the thing. These situations can feel scary when you are learning English. You might think, what if I say the wrong thing?
But here's the truth. People are usually very kind. If you try to speak English, most people will help you.
Exactly. So the goal today is give you the words and phrases so you feel less scared and more prepared.
And at the end, we do a full role-play conversation using everything, so stay with us.
Don't go anywhere. The best part is at the end. Okay, situation number 1, shopping.
This one is so common. You walk into a store, someone comes up to you and says,
Can I help you?
and sometimes you just want to look around. You're not ready to buy anything yet.
So what do you say?
You say, I'm just looking, thank you. Simple, polite, perfect.
Let's say that again. I'm just looking. Thank you.
The shopkeeper will smile and leave you alone. It works every time.
It really does. Okay, but what if you do need help? What if you're looking for something specific?
Then you say, excuse me, do you have? For example, excuse me, do you have this in a bigger size? Or, excuse me, do you have this in blue?
Great phrases. Let's look at those words. Do you have? You are asking if the store has what you need.
And excuse me at the beginning, that's polite. You use it to get someone's attention.
Always start with excuse me when you need help from someone you don't know. It sounds respectful and friendly.
Okay, what about asking the price? This is a big one.
Yes, to ask the price, you say, how much is this? Or, how much does this cost?
Both are correct. Both are natural. How much is this is a little more casual. How much does this cost is slightly more formal, but both work perfectly.
And when the shopkeeper tells you the price, you have a few options. If you want it, you say, I'll take it, or I'll get this one, please.
If it's too expensive, you can say, "Oh, that's a little too expensive for me. Thank you anyway."
Thank you anyway. That phrase is so useful. It means, I don't want it, but I'm still being polite.
Very polite, very natural.
Let's do a quick practice dialogue. Mike, you are the shopkeeper. I'm the customer.
Ready.
Hello?
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, actually. Excuse me, do you have this bag in black?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Oh, lovely. How much is this?
It's $45.
That's a little expensive for me. Do you have anything a little cheaper?
Yes, this one is $28.
Oh, perfect. I'll take it. Thank you.
Great choice.
See how natural that was? Short sentences, simple words, real conversation.
You can do that. Viewers, I promise, you can do exactly that.
Key phrases from this section. Let's review them quickly on screen.
I'm just looking, thank you.
Excuse me, do you have?
How much is this?
I'll take it.
Thank you anyway.
5 phrases. Learn those 5 and you can shop anywhere in English.
Okay, situation number 2. This is one of my personal favorites.
Of course it is, because you love food.
I really do. Ordering food and drinks at a cafe, a restaurant, a takeaway counter, anywhere.
This situation happens all the time, and a lot of learners feel nervous about it because what if they don't understand the menu? What if the waiter speaks too fast?
These are real fears, so let's fix them right now.
First, let's talk about what the waiter or server will say to you. They will usually say one of these things.
What can I get for you? Or, are you ready to order? Or, what would you like?
So when you hear any of those, that's your signal. They are asking for your order.
And your answer is simple. You say, I'd like blank. Or, can I get blank? Or, I'll have blank.
Let's practice those. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I get a sandwich, please? I'll have the soup, please.
All 3 are natural. All 3 are polite. The word please at the end, always a good idea.
Always. It makes a big difference.
Now, what if you don't understand something on the menu? Maybe there's a word you don't know.
This happens, and it's completely okay. You can say, excuse me, what is? For example, excuse me, what is a flat white? That's a type of coffee, by the way.
Or you can say, sorry, I'm not sure what this is. Can you explain it?
Most servers are very happy to explain. Don't be embarrassed, just ask.
And here's a great phrase if you need more time. Sorry, can I have one more minute?
Oh, that is so useful. You're not ready yet, but you're being polite about it. Sorry, can I have one more minute? The server will always say yes.
Always. Okay, what about asking for changes? Like, what if you want something without a certain ingredient?
Yes, you can say, can I have it without? For example, can I have it without onions? Or can I have it without cheese?
Or, is it possible to get blank on the side? Like, is it possible to get the sauce on the side?
These phrases show good English and good communication. Very impressive.
Let's do a cafe practice dialogue. Sarah, you're the server.
Okay. Hi there. Are you ready to order?
Almost. Sorry, can I have one more minute?
Of course. Take your time.
Okay. Okay. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure. Anything to eat?
Yes. Can I get the chicken sandwich?
Absolutely. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. And can I have the sauce on the side?
No problem at all. I'll bring that right out.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. See how smooth that was?
And if I made a small mistake, it's fine. The server understood. Communication worked. That's the goal.
Exactly. Now, one more important thing. What do you say at the end when you want to pay?
Oh, yes. You can say, excuse me, can I have the bill, please? In American English, can I have the check, please?
Both mean the same thing. The bill, the check. You want to pay.
And if the food was good, You can say, "Everything was delicious, thank you." It makes the server happy and it's great English practice.
And it's true most of the time.
Most of the time.
Stay with us, everyone. One more situation and then our big practice conversation at the end. Don't leave. Okay, our third and final situation today, asking for help on the street.
This one is interesting because it's very fast. Street conversations happen quickly. You stop someone, you ask, you get an answer, you say thank you. It's over in 30 seconds.
So you don't need many words, you just need the right words.
Exactly. Let's start with asking for directions. This is the most common one.
If you are lost or you need to find a place, you stop someone and say, "Excuse me, do you know where blank is?"
For example, "Excuse me, do you know where the train station is?" Or, "Excuse me, do you know where the nearest pharmacy is?"
The nearest blank, that phrase is very useful. The nearest cafe, the nearest bank, the nearest bus stop.
It means the closest one, the one that is not far from here.
And when someone gives you directions, they might say things like turn left, turn right, go straight, it's on the left, it's on the right.
And it's about 5 minutes from here. Or it's not far.
If you didn't understand, and this is important, you can say, "Sorry, could you say that again slowly, please?"
People will always repeat themselves for you. Don't be afraid to ask. It's completely normal.
Another very helpful phrase, "Sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak a little more slowly, please?"
That phrase is gold. When you say that, people immediately become more patient, more helpful. They want to help you.
Because you were honest, and honest is always good.
Now, what about other kinds of help? Maybe you need to find a Wi-Fi password at a cafe, or you drop something, or you need to use someone's phone.
For all of these, start with "excuse me," then be specific and polite.
"Excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi here?" "Excuse me, I think you dropped something." "Excuse me, could I borrow your phone for 1 minute? It's an emergency."
And always end with "thank you" or "thank you so much." It goes a long way.
Let's practice. I'll be a person on the street. Sarah, you need directions.
Okay,
Okay. Hi.
excuse me.
Yes?
Hi, sorry to bother you. Do you know where the nearest supermarket is?
The supermarket. Yes. Go straight down this road, then turn left at the traffic lights. It's about a 3-minute walk.
Sorry, could you say that again slowly, please?
Of course. Go straight, then turn left. 3 minutes.
Got it. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Back to normal. See? Short, simple, effective.
And notice, Sarah asked him to repeat himself, and he was completely happy to do it.
Nobody minds. People are kind. Just ask.
Okay, let's do our quick vocabulary review for this section.
Excuse me, do you know where blank is?
The nearest blank.
Could you say that again slowly, please?
Sorry to bother you.
Thank you so much.
5 more phrases, 5 more tools in your English toolkit.
All right, everyone. This is the moment we've been building toward, our full practice conversation.
We are going to combine all 3 situations, shopping, ordering food, and asking for help, in one connected story.
Listen carefully, then try it yourself. You can pause and repeat any part.
Ready, Mike?
Ready?
Hi, are you okay? You look a little lost.
Oh, yes, a little. Excuse me, do you know where the nearest cafe is?
Yes, go straight and then turn right. There's a nice one called Blue Cup. It's about 2 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Hello?
Hi there. What can I get for you?
I'd like a large coffee, please. And excuse me, what is a cold brew?
It's coffee made with cold water. It's smooth and not too strong.
Oh, that sounds nice. Can I get a cold brew then, please?
Of course. Anything to eat?
Yes. How much is the blueberry muffin?
It's $3.50.
Great. I'll have one of those too, please.
Coming right up.
A few minutes later, excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Sure, that's $7 total.
Thank you. And everything was delicious.
So happy to hear that. Come back soon.
Entering the store.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I'm just looking, thank you.
Of course. Let me know if you need anything.
A moment later, excuse me, do you have this jacket in a medium size?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Wonderful. How much is it?
It's $60.
That's a little expensive. Thank you anyway.
No worries. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
And that is everyday English in action.
Shopping, ordering food, asking for directions, all in one story. All with simple, natural English.
Viewers, you can do this. Every phrase we used today, you heard it. You know it. Now you just need to practice it.
And that's what the comment section is for.
Let's do a warm, quick review of everything from today.
Situation 1. Shopping. I'm just looking. How much is this? I'll take it. Thank you anyway.
Situation 2. Ordering food. I'd like... Can I have one more minute? Can I get it without... Can I have the bill, please?
Situation 3. Asking for help. Excuse me, do you know where is? The nearest. Could you say that again slowly?
15 phrases. All real, all useful, all yours.
You know, a lot of people think you need hundreds of words to speak English in public, but honestly, if you know these 15 phrases, you can handle so many situations.
Quality over quantity. A few great phrases used confidently, that is better than many phrases used nervously.
Well said, Sarah.
Now it is your turn. We want to hear from you.
Pick any situation from today and write a sentence in the comments. Just one. You can use this template.
For shopping, excuse me, do you have blank in blank?
For ordering, I'd like a blank, please.
For directions, excuse me, do you know where blank is?
Copy 1, fill in your own words, post it below. That is real English practice right there.
And if you have a question about anything from today, ask us. We read every comment and we love helping you.
No question is too small. We are here for you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today on Easy English Podcast.
Truly, we love making these videos for you, and every time you show up and practice, you are one step closer to the English speaker you want to be.
Don't rush. Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is your own.
And every single word you learn, every phrase, every sentence, it adds up, more than you know.
Now, tomorrow, we have a brand new episode, and it is a really exciting one.
Yes, tomorrow we are doing simple daily English conversations you must know.
Conversations for your everyday life, the kind of English you use with friends, with family, with coworkers.
Really practical, really useful. You do not want to miss it.
So subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you tomorrow.
Take care of yourselves.
Keep practicing. Even just 5 minutes a day makes a difference.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.